Alfred Nobel, the man behind one of the most prestigious awards in the world, was also the inventor of one of the most destructive substances ever created, dynamite. Born in 1833 in Stockholm, Sweden, Nobel was a brilliant chemist, engineer, and inventor who held over 350 patents during his lifetime. His fascination with explosives began with nitroglycerin, a volatile liquid that could explode from the slightest shock or friction. In the mid-1800s, Nobel experimented relentlessly with this dangerous compound, even after a tragic accident in his laboratory killed his younger brother Emil. Determined to make nitroglycerin safer to handle, Nobel discovered that mixing it with an inert absorbent material like diatomaceous earth stabilized the substance. This invention, patented in 1867 as dynamite, revolutionized industries like mining, construction, and transportation, making large-scale infrastructure projects possible. However, the same invention quickly found its way into military arsenals, earning Nobel the nickname, the Merchant of Death. This label was cemented when a French newspaper mistakenly published his obituary while he was still alive, condemning him for profiting from explosives. Deeply affected by this portrayal, Nobel began to reflect on his legacy. In 1895, just a year before his death, he signed a will that shocked his family and the world. He left the majority of his fortune to establish the Nobel Prizes. These awards, given annually for achievements in physics, chemistry, medicine, literature, and peace, were Nobel's attempt to ensure he would be remembered not for destruction, but for progress and humanitarianism. The Peace Prize, in particular, symbolized his desire to counterbalance the harm caused by his inventions. Nobel's story is a powerful reminder of the dual nature of scientific innovation, how one discovery can both build and destroy. His life was marked by brilliance, tragedy, and redemption, and his legacy continues to shape the world through the Nobel Prizes. In this video, we explore the explosive origins of dynamite, the moral dilemmas faced by its inventor, and the transformation of a man once vilified into a symbol of global excellence. From the deadly power of nitroglycerin to the birth of a prize that honors peace, Alfred Nobel's journey is a testament to the complexity of human ambition and the enduring impact of scientific discovery.